If you want to prevent someone from changing the passcode of your iPhone, even if they know it, then what you do is go to settings here, go to this option screen time, select turn on screen time, select this option turn on screen time, select this option, this is my iPhone. Now scroll down and select this option, use screen time passcode, and then you have to enter 4-digit passcode. Re-enter again, and then you can enter the Apple ID. This Apple ID will be used in case if you forgot the screen time passcode. I won't forget, so I will select this option cancel and then escape. So once you have set the screen time, what you will do is you will go to this option content and privacy restrictions, enable content and privacy restrictions, enter the screen time passcode which you have just set, and then scroll down and there is an option here, passcode changes. Select it and select don't allow. Now what does this do is, once you enable that option, if you go to settings, then the option to change the passcode of your iPhone, that option will be hidden. From here, Face ID and passcode option will be hidden and nobody will be able to change the passcode of your iPhone.